Good morning, everyone. We are Friday, so happy Friday. We are April 3rd, 2020, and I wanted to talk to you today to wrap up this week number 11. Today I'm going to talk to everyone separately, and maybe at some point I will talk to all of you, to remind you few information. So first of all, I would like to talk to the Math 102 who have an exam today. Please guys, don't forget the exam is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's a 50-minute exam, and this exam is set up in a way that you cannot backtrack your answers. You have 50 minutes. So please be very cautious, and you can do it. I hope, guys, that you have done your practice exam on Wednesday, and that is an information that I'm going to give for everybody. All of my classes will end up to have an exam, and I'm not talking about the 017 or 023, but right now just for Math 107, MATT 107, Math 103, and Math 102. When it's exam week, you will always have your practice exam open until Wednesday night. And then on the Friday, you will have your exam. Why do I put the practice exam on Wednesday and force you almost by doing the practice exam on Wednesday? It's because Thursday you will have the time to think about the different mistakes you made on the practice exam, and therefore you will be able to be much prepared for the exam on the Friday. So that is a comment to everyone. But today, Math 102, you have your exam, so I wish you good luck. I would like to remind each and every one of you that every week you have quizzes. That is from MATT 017 or 023. These quizzes are very important. They are part of your grade. But you have also in 103, 107, and 102 quizzes, retrieval quizzes. A second type of quizzes. You have the assignment note, and I will show to everyone on a specific class how to do that. I will also going to try to remind you that it is very, very important that you keep an healthy lifestyle. I just realized myself this week that by staying home, I am less active. So if you can have some sort of gym, some sort of workout, some sort of activity, if you have a yard, or if you can go outside a little bit and walk and do some little bit of exercise, that's very, very important. So that said, I want to come back to the assignment note and what you need to add to your Blackboard. So in order to add your assignment note, I sent you an announcement where you have a link. So let me show you what is that link again, and I will be with you in a second. So when you go on your announcement, you have assignment should be attached, and you have a link. So what you have to do is you need to copy that link. So what I'm going to do in order for me to copy the link is to edit, but if you can't not do what I'm doing, obviously what you need to do is you need to rewrite this link on the you need to rewrite this link on a new web page. So I'm going to open a new web page, and I'm going to send the video. And then here we are, guys. You have a video where the head of the department, Professor Amanda Haag, has recorded to help you what you need to do. And you will see that at some point you have to, so I'm going to turn off the sound, but at some point you're going to have to download a Adobe Scan Digital PDF scanner. With this app, what you are going to do is you are going to take a picture the app is going to convert your picture into a PDF. And when that has been done, the only thing that you need to do after that is to send you this PDF by email, open the PDF on your computer, save it on a special folder that you will have to create. And then what you have to do is when you are going to your assignment note, by example, or lecture note, it's the same thing. So if you go to a lecture note, where is it? Lecture note right here. Assignment note. My apologies. So if you go to assignment note, you are going to click sur your assignment, and then browse my computer. You access your PDF file. You attach your PDF file, and then you submit. It is very, very simple, but please do not take just a picture and send me the picture, because that is not going to be possible. You are going to saturate the system. So just please follow that process. Otherwise, I will not be able to correct and give you the points. I would like to remind you when you are taking notes, and that's for everybody. When you are taking notes, I want you to follow the Cornell note-taking system. If you are taking the notes from another professor, and I'm thinking about a correct student who doesn't have me as of their correct professor, as their 100 and correct professor, please, you watch the video and you rewrite what Professor Beeman, for instance, have wrote on this video. You write that on by hand, and then you convert this note that you took with the app. I think I talked about pretty much everything what I wanted to talk to. So what I would like to do now is remind everybody what you should have done this week, and if it's not done, please focus on try to do it before Monday. For Math 102, so I want to repeat, for Math 102, you should have done section 5.1 and the retrieval quizzes associated to the section 5.1. It's evident, it's obvious. And today you have your exam number 3, and Wednesday you should have done your practice exam. For the Math 103, so for the Math 103, you should have done section 11.5 and 11.6 note, plus problems, and you have also the retrieval quizzes that you should have done. Finally, for the section MATT 107, this week was section 4243, and it's also the same thing for 017. You should have done section 4243 with everything corresponding inside. Finally, what I would like to remind you is, let me see. Yes, it is when you look at the side of your blackboard, as you can see, you have Professor Jobert, and you will see a few information, but obviously with what's going on, we are confined, and so my office is my home. And in order for you to have access to virtual office hours, you just need to click on the button, and it will send you to that page that you can see now. And you just need to write your name, and you will have access to the Blackboard Collaborate virtual office hours. Now, in order for you to know when is your office hours, you just need to look at your announcement, and you can see that at the announcement at the beginning of the week, as I try to do a video, I'll also try to post an announcement of what you need, what's coming up for you, and I also put the virtual office hours for the week, meaning that, by example, for next week you are going to receive an announcement for the virtual office hours for the week number 12, as well as the work assignment. And every day you have an office hours. I assign each class to an office hours in order to be able to respond only Math 102, Math 103, 017, MATT 107, and 023, because otherwise it will be very difficult to have several people, several classes, several sections at the same time. But please, you can refer to that. I will add a Zoom session right away after the office hours if it's necessary. Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. There is no reason. So I think I covered pretty much everything. The last thing I want to talk to you about, it is that you need to take care of yourself. By being home, we have a tendency to be less active. So force yourself to have a routine where you wake up, like you can see it's 8. Well, you know, you cannot see, but right now it's 8:05 a.m. and I'm already trying to work for you guys. So I just stopped the video and go back again. So I just wanted to let you know that it's very important to have a routine. Work out if you can. Go outside in your yard, take the breath, fresh air, enjoy the fresh air, but stay home. It's very important that we all participate to avoid to have a peak of people who are going to be sick and being in need of being in ICU unit. That's what we're trying to do. Is we know we are going to have people who are going to be in need, but if we are not saturating the hospital, we will be able to have the doctors and all the nurses who are doing a fantastic job for us, and we need to have them in our thoughts, in our prayer. So to help them, the best thing that we can do is staying healthy, follow the procedure of not being what we call social distance, and everything will be okay. And when I said that is to say stay positive and to keep a good morale. So you have to continue to follow the rules to avoid to be sick. So don't forget to wash your hands. I think my hands have never been as clean as they are right now. So I hope it's the same for you, and I will talk to you very soon. Because I'm going to make another video that I will post Monday about the week number 12. I do not have any music. I'm going to look at if I can put some music, just a little short extract of this, and then I will be with you. Give me just a second. All right, guys. So here's my little song. It's a very famous singer in France, and it's a kind of a music where the guy says that he was dreaming about another world, and it's very entertaining. So I hope you will like it, and I will run this video until the end of that video. So enjoy.